Hey, Nike tried something new and they failed miserably. We got to talk about it in today's video, man. Let's get right into it. What's going on YouTube, man? Thanks for tapping into another video. I know y'all tired of seeing your boy the Vince. I got to bring you guys these videos, these topics surrounding, the same community. See what's going on, see what's popping, see what's happening, see what's shop dropping, and what's exclusive access, what's restocking, all that good stuff, man. It's always entertaining to me just to see you guys' comments, you know what I'm saying? So I appreciate everybody for coming to the videos. Come chop it up with me down below in the comment section. And I kind of feel like everybody's on this high right now that we're getting the Air Jordan 11 Legend Blues. And I have the lows right here. Let me grab them real quick. I'm about to go out of frame and stuff like that. But I had to get them, man. It took me so long to find these sneakers. It actually took me almost an entire day to go through all the boxes. But we finally have the Legend Blue 11 lows out of storage. And we'll be getting these Legend Blue Columbia 11s in 2024, man, which is super dope, man. So we can put these back to the side. Enough talking about the 11s next year, but you know what I'm saying, I hope everybody is happy that we are getting the Legend Blues back. And a lot of people say they want the Gammas. Some people say they want to go ahead and get the Pantones. A lot of different 11 ideas to throw out there, but we are getting Legend Blues. We might get a 2-pack. We might get something else. Who knows, man? If you guys are new here to the channel, right now what I need everybody to do is hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for your boy, and please give a huge thumbs up on today's video. Make sure y'all go ahead and comment down below whatever your thoughts is about this video. All right, guys, so I'm a couple of days late. I ain't gonna lie, but I'm a couple days late about this situation, but I feel like it's still kind of relevant in the sneaker community, and it happens to be Nike officially ending their refurbished program, bro. The whole refurbished Nike sneaker thing, it happened, it came, they implemented it, and it went very quickly. I feel like it only been up for a couple of months, and then next thing you know, you don't hear anything about it anymore, and that's due to a couple of things. So you got this one guy on YouTube literally returning fake sneakers to the Nike stores, and Nike literally were taking them. I don't know how you do that, but I kind of registered in my mind saying that Nike don't even know how to legit take their own sneakers, bro. Because if you watch the videos, I'm gonna try to find like a link or something like that, but I forget the guy's name, but I know everybody knows about it. This guy literally was going on YouTube returning fake sneakers, like legitimately fake sneakers to the Nike outlets, to the Nike stores and stuff like that. And then Nike employees will take them back because like they don't know how to legit take shoes. What are they gonna say? Oh, these look fake. You really can't do that. I don't think you can unless you have someone there to authenticate the sneakers, bro. So that's just a whole nother situation. I guess it kind of ties into the fact that the whole Nike refurbished plan kind of ended as well, because people were sneaking fake pairs of sneakers to this refurbished program, and Nike's literally trying to sell those sneakers to different people out there in the community. It's crazy too, because I seen a pair of Air Jordan 3 UNCs drop back in like 2020 or 2019, one to two. And they look totally off, but it looked so bad. It was apparent that they were a fake pair, a fake UNC 3, man. So I don't know how they were going to, kind of curve that aspect. It's going to be somebody always out there, an opportunist that tries to sneak something in to crash and ruin everything that somebody has going on. That happened to be Nike, bro. So I thought they were going to do good by it. I thought someone's going to come, good from the program, but it happens to be that it didn't last long. They keep getting fake sneakers pushed through there. They keep getting pairs. It was some pairs on there that looked horrible. I'm talking about you couldn't even refurbish some things, but they were selling it at a discounted price. So it kind of worked for Nike for a little bit as far as the money side of things. But once people start seeing that their pairs came looking like those UNC 3s or a fake pair of sneakers, they're like, yo, I'm returning these joints and I don't want them anymore. So now you have all these pairs of refurbished Nike sneakers at this warehouse, wherever it is. It's officially shut down, and who's to say what they're gonna do with those pairs, man? It's kind of crazy too, because you guys know what we always got: B grade sneakers, or like the B grade Bread 11s, or it was a bunch of B grades that popped up at Nike outlets over time. And I was almost like one of those, we messed up on the pairs, but we're still gonna sell them to the public. So at the end of the day, they're still making the money, but this refurbished program was a done deal. It didn't last long. So if you guys have purchased anything from this refurbished Nike program, man, please let me know. You might be one of those people that came to today's video and experienced something about this situation that's going on. And if you guys know the name of the YouTuber, because I'm gonna probably plug it right here. I'm gonna drop a link down below in the comment section. But it's literally a guy He got sued by Nike because he was literally selling fake sneakers to the Nike store, which is kind of crazy. They don't have no legit techers. They got to find somebody to legit tech sneakers. But a way to curve or a way to go around that aspect is if Nike like literally put like a chip, or that's probably too extreme. Probably put like a barcode or something to the sneaker that literally you can scan from the Nike store and see if it's an actual pair that came from one of the warehouses. A little bit extra leg room, a little bit extra work from Nike's in. But at the end of the day, they won't be getting fake sneakers getting sold back to them under their nose, man. So yeah, man, that pretty much wraps up today's video, bruh. Nike has been Nikeing, bruh. They definitely been Nikeing these last couple of months, man. There's a lot of stuff going on in the C community. And I feel like just Nike's at the top of it, bro. Adidas kind of out the way now. They dropped Kanye. They did those big, restocks for the Yeezy days or whatever. And now it's just Nike at the top, bro. And then New Balance is kind of stepping its way up. Me personally, I don't like New Balances that much, but they're definitely something that has been grown on to a lot of people rocking them joints. I'm seeing people wear them in different spots, which I've never seen before. But I still think Nike's at the top, bro. If you guys do agree with that, man, please let me know down below in the comment section. Subscribe here to the channel if you're new. Hit the notification bell for your boys to miss out on any content that we drop. We got some early looks, some early on feats. Like I said, we do have the Air Jordan 5 Olives right here, man. Check these beauties out. I'll be dropping that, reviewing on feet probably, I ain't gonna put a date on it yet, but it is coming soon. And then we also have the Air Jordan 1 Yellow Orca. I know y'all always tripping about how I pronounce things, but man, tomato is what it is. Y'all know what it is, man, 100% legit. These do release the second week of January, so you guys will see this on feet probably tomorrow, bro. I got an 8.5, which I don't wear 8.5. It's the only size the plug has, so I might have to squeeze into these things, leave you guys on feet, because a bunch of dope pants I do plan on rocking with the Yellow Orca Air Jordan 1s. So yeah, like I said, sub up, hit the notification bell. Make sure you guys leave a huge like on today's video. It might go a long way, and the content gonna keep rolling as long as you guys keep coming back, tapping in with me down below in the comment section, man. Again, I appreciate all the support. Thanks for tapping in. With all this being said, man, your boy The Vintage is gonna catch you in next video, man.
Wake up and bake up this year, jump out the crib, stack up my C-note this year, killing my ego this year, all for the people this year, only believe in the real, I do believe in no fear, and I got gang in this, I never switch on the tribe, I keep it all the way real, I'm in control of my feels, you see my highlights and study my real, yeah. I'm showing more love this year, running more plays, finna scale up my business this year, the world in my palm, I'm a star, I deliver my cadence, I'm serving up chips to my peers, bringing the bread for the fam. Everything good on the side, everything coming together. New whip, no leash, no key in it, they heat it. California on the plates, I'm out here playing for keeping. I pull up, she leaking, she want me for the weekend. My foot on the gas with the brakes, hate me or love me, you see me.